Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss how to set up Eclipse project, and at the same time we're going to help the people who are facing issues with like convert to Cucumber project is missing or Cucumber plugin is not installed, behave is not working properly, check that behave is installed, something like that, blah blah blah. Let me show you the issue first. Okay, so I'm creating a Maven project and trying to convert it into a Cucumber project. So I'm going to new uh, project, then Maven project. Let's see if it works perfectly fine. um, okay, quick start, selecting this one. Okay, uh, we have to select this one all the time. And so currently I'm making it as test. Artifact ID is test, for example, finish. Okay, now it is creating, and then it will come like this. You have to put y here. Okay, y. Okay, click on enter button. So the test project has been created. It's the Maven project. Now if so I have downloaded Cucumber plugin, so I mean you can go here. You don't do it who haven't done it yet, but it is for the people who already tried to install Cucumber. If you don't understand this process, then it's fine. So if I search, I mean in my installed plugin there is Cucumber. Okay, but who is doing it for the first time, they won't see it, they won't have it. It's totally fine, you don't need to install it. But the person who installed it, it is for them. So now I have this installed, so I'm right clicking on it, then going to configure. You see, convert to Cucumber is not there. Again, the people who are new, if they don't understand, that is fine. It is for the people who already facing issues. Okay, it is not here, so that is the issue. So let's fix it now, or what to do. Now it is for everybody who are trying it for the first time. So first of all, I need to remove that plugin. That plugin has an issue. So if you don't have this plugin, it is totally fine, perfectly fine, but cross check it. So let's click on help, then going to Eclipse Marketplace again, clicking on installed from the top. I have this. Now if you don't have it, that means you are safe, you are good. If you see this, uninstall it. So I'm uninstalling it right now. So it is getting uninstalled. I'm waiting for the full installation. It is showing something like that. I'm clicking on finish. Now it is telling me to restart. I'm clicking on no. So okay, then the next step is clicking on help, then preference, window and preference, then install and update, then available software sites. Now here, look for the items which has Cucumber written. While you see any Cucumber, delete them. So I clicked on it. I am click on delete, remove, right? Remove, and yes. And let's see if we see any other Cucumber thing. No, no other Cucumber plugin sites or anything, right? So we are good. Cross checking, yes, everything is good. So no other Cucumber sites. Okay, now we are going to open an URL from our classrooms Cucumber part 1 thing. But whoever doesn't see this classroom, you're gonna get the link in my video description, for example, like this. Okay, in the description you're gonna see a link. So you're gonna open a link from here. So the people who are in the classroom, they just need to open this dependency add thing. Dependency link. It's a Word document. Click on it. It's gonna bring you here. Copy this URL. So copy this, right? So, or you can copy directly like this. Control C. Okay. So we copied the link. Now let's go to Eclipse, help. Now we're gonna click on install new software, right? And then press this, paste this side. Click on add. It's gonna ask you what you're gonna name it, so I'm gonna give it cucumber. Click on add. You're gonna see everything. Tick mark this. It should have this. Now go to next. Then you're gonna see this. Click on finish. Now if you look at down, it's gonna install. It's installing everything. So if you see here, it's installing here, right? Now he's telling you to restart. Now I have to restart the project. Well, it restarted. I'm closing this package. Now let's see if we have the conversion. Click on configure. Now we have convert to cucumber project thing. So that's how you're gonna fix the issues with cucumber setup. Now the people from our school who needs to set up the project perfectly, let's do this. Well, I'm gonna create another Maven project where we're gonna work for our class. Click on, file, new Maven project. Everything will be similar like the old one. So the people who had issues, your issues is already fixed. We are just doing different things now. So org.apache.maven.archetype.quickstart. We have to go look for the quick start here. Okay. Then we have to name it as EL, means our school. Artifact ID should be cucumber 2025, for example. Finish it. So now it's gonna open up the Y button again. The Y button came up here. I have to write down here. I have to write down Y. Okay. Y. Enter. We are good. Cucumber 2025 is there. Now open the POM XML and copy all the dependency from the same link. So we had in the classroom, we had the dependency file, right? Okay, this one, the one like dependency add link here, right? So this part, not this part, sorry, this is how you're gonna add the dependencies, but we have this dependency thing. Click on that, it's gonna open the same document that we had before. So go to that document, click on here, scroll down all the bottom. So click on shift button, holding shift, then click on here again. So they will copy everything. Make sure you didn't copy the link at the top, right? We don't need that link. So just right click and copy. I already copied that, just showing you guys. So here now, so you have these dependencies tags, okay, and here you have, so remember one thing, all the dependencies tag starts like this and finishes with a slash. All the XML tag, not dependencies tag. Even if you see build, it will start like this, and when it will be finished, it will be like same thing, like there will be a slash after greater sign. You see build, that means that it's like a braces. Moreover, like this, right? It starts with like, if it's a braces, it was just an ending, right? It starts with like this and ends with like this. Okay, so that's how in XML we open and close things. So now after this is the dependency open for JUnit, and this is the close. Just make some space. Now greater than and this one, you're gonna see these types of comment thing. Just double click on it and write like my dependencies. So these are the older one, you don't need to touch them. These are the pre-existing one. Go down go down and click on paste. You're gonna see all the dependencies has been pasted like this. Now Control Shift F. Control Shift F is gonna make them organized. Okay, save it. Okay, now we're gonna make sure that no dependency is doubled up. How to do that? So if you go up, it's like at the top. Okay. Okay, now if you click on save button, it's gonna download all the dependencies. I think it has already downloaded. Now if you go at the top, the dependency thing, you see my dependencies started from here. Now I need to make sure that the one that we already had before is not doubled up. So Control C, right click here, Control F, paste it. So we see one which is already existing, but let's see if we have of any other version of this. No, we are good. So now let's look for this one, JUnit Jupyter params. So it's called parameters. Let's see, we have only one. Clicking on enter button, or you can click on these things, right? You can see that only one is existing. So you are good, and all the latest dependencies are here. Now your first today's assignment is, what dependencies are for what purpose? You're gonna find it and let us know what dependency does what thing, and write a note on your project here. Okay, what dependencies are doing what thing. Or you can download a copy of our dependencies sheet like this one. Okay, so your first task will be writing a note. Okay, like you can use something like this or whatever it is. Below dependency is doing blah 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 in your language. You have to write it down. That's your first task here with this particular video.